Okay, here I have a random design I just created in Procreate, and I want to color it in. Now, if I want to color it in just by using the fill feature, assuming there's no leaks anywhere, I can just pick a color, drag it over from the color picker and drop it in. And I could do that for the whole thing. But maybe I want to add shadows or just color it with a tool and get different effects on it. So maybe I want to, let's say, use the blotchy brush and color in a section. If I drag and drop from the color picker, it won't give me that effect of the blotchy brush. Now if I color and try to stay in the lines, and I can get that effect, but I might go on top of my actual outline. And with yellow, you don't really notice it, but maybe I'm using blue and I'm using it and it goes over the lines. And I want to erase the part that went into another section. If I grab the eraser and start erasing, I can zoom in and erase as careful as I can. But there's always that chance that I'll go over the line and mess up my outline. To avoid that, you can color on a separate layer. Now layers are like pieces of paper stacked on top of each other. So my outline would be on one layer, and then I'm going to add another layer by going to the two squares in the top right and hitting the plus sign. I'm going to tap and hold on that new layer 2 and drag it under layer 1. Now when I color, anything I do will go under the actual outline, so it won't show up on the outline itself if you saw any of that. But more importantly, when I go in with the eraser and I erase, if I do go over the edge, you won't see it because I'm erasing under the outline. So I'm just going to go over the outline right now just to show you that I'm going over the outline, and you can see it does not erase the outline. So I can erase there and not worry about having anything leak over into another design or actually go onto my outline. And if I have to erase, I won't have to erase the line. Now I can turn off the outline, and you can see that it's on a completely different layer. And you can color. I do a lot of designs like this, color a lot. I can even, if I want to put a shadow, I can grab a darker blue and maybe put some more color in here and design it. And still not worry about that edge being affected or it going into another edge. I can take the blend tool and blend it and not worry about blending my outline into the picture, which is what would happen if I go back to my layer 1 and start blending. I'm going to start messing up my outline as I touch it and blend that into the picture, which might be an effect you want, but if it isn't, definitely color on a second layer. I'll see you next time.